such an honor, and I'm so proud and happy and humbled to be sitting next to you. I know, uh, even for the audience here, it's a very rare opportunity to hear you speak. So, firstly, thank you very much for joining us. So, we have divided this the fireside chat into the various phases of journey. Relate that to your career and how you built this business and how you've inspired a lot of others. So, what's the first phase for any journey is takeoff, right? So, could you tell us about your early days, the kind of challenges that you faced during the early days when you were building a business?
It's an interesting story. My father was in pharmaceutical wholesale business, and I used to work with him when I was in college. So that's where I saw that if you have branded products and then if your doctors prescribe your product, then over time you can build a successful business. So that's where I thought that I'll start the business. But I didn't have a lot of resources, and I decided that it's better to start with a business where there are relatively less number of doctors so that we can cover with less number of representatives. So we started with psychiatric products in Calcutta. And then over time, I think focusing on ensuring that we build long-term relationship with doctors and also work in a way whereby we are able to benefit the patient with new treatment options. I think the business continued to expand, and then we continued to add new therapy areas to our business. So it's been an interesting journey.
I've actually read the biography written by uh,
Somadas.
So yeah, I went about at one of the initial struggle was about the getting the capital to. So this is surely an interesting story. Could you elaborate with that during the initial days?
So I think I borrowed 20,000 rupees from my father, and that was my uh, starting capital. But then I always reinvested and uh, kept on focusing on growing the business. So fortunately for me, I think money has never been a constraint in the sense that I always planned my business based on resources I had rather than trying to think of what is it that I need to do the business. I always said that I have this much. How do I use it for building a business?